survey method is not going to work for your business. The attention span of people is very low. They will only feel it to get it off their table. They are not going to feel it honestly. This is the reason why after so much survey, after so much effort, you try to implement what you got and nothing beats the result from the survey. Let me tell you how to do your research method very effectively so that it can work with your business. Let's get to do this. Hello everyone, you're welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Zasie and you're welcome to Zasie's Place. This is the home of how-tos where I teach about business strategies, brand strategy, how to help your skin to glow, especially for those with oily skin, fashion tips and all of that. I started this YouTube channel like 2 weeks ago. Is it 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago now? I think it's 3 weeks ago. And I've been talking about business and career tips, and very soon I'm going to dive into skin. Today we're going to be talking about research survey method. Why survey is not working for your business. After you have sent all the filling the gaps and all of that, and then you get results from people and you try to implement into your business and it doesn't give you the results that correlates with what you gathered from people. I'm going to be telling you why it doesn't work and how you can use what works for your business. Now, survey method is what people do with the filling the gaps thing. I'm going to explain this as lame as possible so that I can get you to work with me on this and we can be on the same pace. So it is the fill in the gaps thing, like what do you want us to do, A, B, C kind of thing that lots of business people send to customers or tentative customers or just to everybody so that they can know what to put into the business and how to produce whatever they want to produce. Most times business people do this when they're about to launch a new product or when they're trying to know what is wrong with the product that is not moving. Now, the first thing you need to know is the reason why it doesn't work is because the attention span of people is very low. Now, you send this link with your survey to me and I send to a friend and they just feel like, oh, because Zasie sent this to me, let me just tick yes, yes, yes and give it to her. And then you begin to use such a method in your business. You see, it doesn't work. People will just feel it because they want to get things off their desk. Feel it because they don't want to hurt the feelings of the other person when they didn't feel. Unfortunately, the business owner is going to pick this result and implement and not get adequate results in turn for the business. You see the reason why survey method doesn't work. Number two, human beings are emotional beings. They're going to feel what they think they want you to hear. Let me explain this to you. A lot of people try to harass the ego of people. They try to make sure that, okay, don't let me respond to this in a bad way. I want to make sure that this person feels good with this. Even if you write be honest, that is when they're going to be dishonest. That's when they're not going to be honest with you. So they will try to appeal to your emotions, not take what they want you to hear. They are going to think what they think you want to hear. Now, this means that most times people want to rub your ego. They want to rub your ego. They want you to feel good with what you are doing. Even when it is not good, they think that you want to hear that it is good. And then as a business person, you think that these are honest responses from people and you use that to do whatever you want to do for your business and you do not get the adequate result. This is the reason why survey method does not work. You send surveys, you fill in, they fill in, and they do not give you honest reviews. They send you reviews because they think that it is going to massage your ego, it's going to make you feel good, you are trying. Most times it's not about you are trying, it is if it is good or not. The question now is, what can you do to get your results without doing all of this stress? Because it doesn't make sense when you send all these things out to people and you do not get the result that correlates with what you got from the results, the responses of people. It doesn't tally in your business, it doesn't tally in your production. So the most effective way of doing survey is get feedback, immediate feedback from your customers, immediate reviews. Tell them, ask them about the product, ask them what they love about the product, ask them if your services was good, ask them what you are trying to do. This way, because people have gotten something from you, they will be able to tell you what they got right, what you got rightly and what you got wrongly. The best form of survey is through service. If you have provided a service for someone, you have to make sure that you get your feedback and ask necessary questions. It is not the question of did you like it? No, ask very technical questions. What exactly did you like about this product, about our services? How do you think we can make progress? What is it that is missing? What is missing in this product? What is missing in our services that we've rendered to you, and all of that? These are questions that are very technical that you need to ask your client. That way you'll be able to get feedback that will be effective for your business. Survey method doesn't really work, because sometimes we just want to get it off our table. We just want to caress your ego, and then you do it and it doesn't correlate with the kind of results that you got from people. This is the reason why you need to switch your method to immediate customer report and see how it's going to turn your business around. I hope you really learned a lot from this video. Please share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Do not enjoy this video alone. Share with your friends and tell them to subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. Please share. Please comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.